Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.